Hey, thanks for stopping by the Golf Cart Garage. I'm your host, Dave, and I'm here to show you around. Whether you're figuring out your very first golf cart or you're deep in love with your customized ride, Golf Cart Garage is your premier one-stop shop for information, parts, upgrades, and even diagnosis for your cart. Real, live, friendly human beings answer our phones, email, and chat, and our tech team can even deliver diagnosis using cutting-edge technology to place a mechanic right in your garage with you in a program we call Gearheads On Demand. No matter how you use your cart or what your level of expertise, we've got you covered. We have special sections dedicated to golfers, neighborhood commuters, homesteaders, sportsmen, and more. Or you can shop by part, brand, or cart model, all with experts on call right here to back you up if you need help. If you roll out of bed in the morning thinking about where to take the golf cart today, you're one of us. So come experience the Golf Cart Garage difference firsthand. We're dedicated to 5-star service. We wear a smile to work and hope to put one on your face too. Clothing. As well, I should also specify that we wear clothing. And we live to see good reviews, photos of your carts, and messages about what we can do to help. We carry top brands for E-Z-GO, Club Car, Yamaha, and more, all with fast, free shipping on orders of $125 and over, not to mention our price match guarantee and our satisfaction guarantee. You can find out all about that on our About Us page at golfcartgarage.com. And while you're there, you can check out our blog and information section to learn more about your specific cart and find our videos to cover FAQs, installations, product reviews, and dad jokes. It's what I do. Yeah, we don't take ourselves too seriously, but customer satisfaction and being your go-to the next time you need something is our top priority. We're Golf Cart Garage, and so can you. I don't even know what that means. So when you're ready to get your hands dirty, just get in touch. Stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. And hey, while you're here, give us a like and subscribe for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.